Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of July 2023 for all the Cancer Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of July for all the Cancer Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Sun controls your second house, and right now, Sun is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Gemini, where Mercury is already moving. Sun will stay in your 12th house till 16th of July. Then Sun will move to your first house in the sign of Cancer. Second house deal with your family lineage, your family values, your family assets, your savings, your assets, your speech, your food intake habits. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation, your spirituality, your foreign settlements. All the matters related to foreign is seen from 12th house.